States. I this received my master's degree in CUNY, City University of New York, in biology. And then I go straight to PhD program, receive my a doctoral degree from CUNY also, major in molecular and cellular biology, specialized in the MCD program in biology department. Then I found the postdoctoral training program in Mount Sinai Medical School in New York City. Actually, I'm working on the adhesion molecules to resolve the disease in sickle cell disease, and working for 4 years and got several important publication, and found a protective drug for cure the sickle vessel occlusion. And later on, I'm promoted to a research fellow in Mount Sinai. 2 years later, I moved back to Taipei and teaching in the Taipei Medical University in the graduate program, and also in charge foreign and international student in medicine program for a couple of years. Okay, that's my short introduction. And then my expertise is the neutrophils, the sickle cells, and the intravitreal microscopy. And my current research project is working on target therapy development on triple negative breast cancers. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so as you see, class, Prof Jack also biologist before, yeah, Prof, yeah, and then Prof Jack is now enrolled in Taipei Medical University. I think all of you also have a chance to be like Prof Jack.
Okay.
to develop yourself just like Prof Jack. Okay, so thank you very much, Prof Jack. And then
one more thing, you guys want to come to Taipei Medical University for pursue the PhD or master degree, please join us and let me know. I will try to help you out for your students. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Prof. So you're open for master degree because Prof Jack is also in charge for international program, yeah, Prof, yeah, for international class.
I used to play a lot of important role in that to found this program, but right now I just focus on my research most of the time right now. But I still can help.
Okay, thank you very much. So you are all invited to join Taipei Medical University for master degree program. Okay, and then actually for PhD program, Taipei also give a scholarship, yeah, Prof, yeah, for master and PhD program. So you can apply to TMU with scholarship as well. Okay, so it will be very great opportunity, I think. Okay, and then the next we are talking about the subject goal. So as you see here, we are going to learn about human structure and physiology, and will comprise some of the system of human body. And then this will be our schedule for the first meeting. You will have to learn about understanding the coverage of human biology. It will be with me. And then next, understanding cardiovascular system. And then the respiratory system, and then gastrointestinal system, and urinary system, and will be about endocrine, and then other up to nervous system. Three of the subject will be delivered by Prof Jack. Okay, so cardiovascular, and then immune system and musculoskeletal system with Prof Jack. Okay, so the class schedule, as you have already seen before, will be every Tuesday. And instead of our tutorial class, there will be also case-based discussion session. So after around 5 to 6 subject, I will give you case to be discussed with your group. So after this, I will ask the coordinator to design group, which consists of 2 up to 3 members for one group. And then after 6 meetings, I will give you a case or problems to be discussed. And then you will have to design a paper as the report. Okay, so Prof, instead of a lecture, we also have a case-based discussion, Prof, that will be with me, because maybe Prof Jack will in charge with 3 of the materials, and then after that, I will guide them for case-based discussion, Prof. And then this will be the learning methods. So will be presentation and discussion. And mostly we are very keen on having a active learners here. So it's not a teacher centers. I hope it will be student centered. Maybe Prof will give you how about your teaching style, Prof? Is it the student have to prepare for their presentation, or Prof Jack will deliver and explain about the material?
Okay, because I just look at the textbook last night
Yeah.
and check the neuron system. There's a lot of material there. It's very difficult for me to finish in the 2 hours. So I will try to lecture first, okay? And especially for bachelor degrees. If it's master degree, I may offer some time for their personal presentation, something like that. So basically, I will uh, lecture most of the time,
Okay.
but I will add some tool experiment design during the lecture. For example, in neuroscience, I taught this course one lecture in my neuroscience apply in I mean how to say that methodology apply in the study neuron research. So I may apply some tool experimental equipments or methodology to the lecture. Okay, for example, how to use the animal to study disease associated neural disorders, something like that. Okay, so that's my plan. Okay, if I feel some interest topic, for example, CRISPR, this technology, I will introduce to the students, and they need to look at it, find the literature or look at the film, and to gain additional knowledge in this field and apply to research in neuroscience. That's my plan. Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Prof. So maybe mostly for bachelor will be a lecture will be given by Prof, but will be supplement with other
By
methods.
the way, I may
Okay, and
ask
then
for
the
the feedback, write a short 1 page or 2 page. Uh, what do you feel after the lecture? What did you learn in the lecture? I mean, the take-home message or something like that. Okay.
okay, the take home, is it about on effective one, Prof?
I'm sorry.
In the cognitive
It's short
aspect
essay.
or
Short
also
essay.
in effect?
I'm,
Okay.
okay.
Okay, Prof. Okay, with problem with connection, we can the last.
I just short essay. So
Okay,
I,
okay,
okay,
okay.
the short essay. Okay.
Oh, essay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, Prof. Okay. Okay, so the next will be our online class, as I has already accept Zoom as well. And then there will be also a group presentation regarding your case-based report. So not all lecture, just like Prof Jack said, not all lecture will be presented by a teacher, and also research, or oh no about case-based projects. Okay, so this will be the evaluation of our course. So mid-test percent for final test, and then assignment including the case-based report, and then the take-home assignment that Prof has already told you will be included in 25%, and then the last 5% will be for your participation. So participation here means attendance, activity, and then collaboration with your friends and how you communicate. Okay, and then this will be a case-based project rules. So it will take a group project, but on the case, and then this will be the format that you can read more with Google Classroom. And then here I will show you also, wait, our Google Classroom, Prof. Maybe after this, I will ask Prof to give us the email, Prof, to invite you into our Google
Right
Classroom,
now.
Prof.
Okay.
Wait. Oh, later will be
Okay.
okay, Prof. Later will be okay, Prof. So I just would like to show the students. So this is our Google
All right.
Classroom. You
Okay, I
can
can give you.
I have already give you the link as well, Prof, for this Google Classroom. And then I need, and then I will, I guys ya. Enggak, ya. Bisa nggak pakai email selain Gmail? Can we class? I don't think so ya. Sepertinya tidak bisa with the course schedule, including the meeting for each week and what will be discussed for each week. And then this is our Zoom now. Okay. So far question? Any questions so far, class? Are you in summer holiday, Prof?
I'm sorry.
Are you in summer holiday now?
Because okay, I will be off this afternoon. I'm gonna have a trip with my son.
Wow.
Because he's leaving for United States this weekend, so he's going back to school.
Okay.
Okay, so I may take a 2 days off.
Okay.
Trip. Okay.
Okay, very interesting. And Prof also a climber class. Climber, yeah, Prof.
I'm sorry.
You also like to climb, right?
Not much. I play ping pong a lot and
Oh.
cycling.
Okay, okay, class. Question to Prof Jack. Okay, to me. Okay, about the course. Okay, please. Question.
I will give you all my email address. If you have any questions, just email to me. I will respond to you as soon as I can. Okay, no problem.
Okay, maybe you can write your email address in
Sure,
our
I'm doing now.
Prof. In our chat room will be okay. Any question, class? Come on. You can say in Bahasa. I will help you. But I believe all of you are international student will be. So I hope you can you can pursue your master degree in TMU. At least one of you. I don't know. 1, 2, 3 will be very good. Because
Listen, I have some information. Recently we changed the policy. We prefer to have the PhD students, and most of them can receive a scholarship, full scholarship, and only limited number for support the scholarship to master degree, maybe 2 or 3. And some will get tuition waive, but you need to fight for grant or support from the mentor PI. But still there's still a chance to get the support.
okay.
But school is most welcome for the PhD student. Okay, that's my current information to share with you. Okay.
But for PhD student, the scholarship are full, yeah, Prof, yeah?
Yeah, tuition waive and the stipend every month.
Yes, that is from the government or from university, Prof?
Partial from university, partial from the funding or personal PI.
Okay, so we have our senior also their class. Jadi ada senior Anda yang juga having PhD. Yes, Prof?
You can ask the Noor.
Yes, Noor. Yes.
Yeah. He just back.
Yes.
Yesterday or yesterday.
Yes, he said that I have already finished my PhD, ma'am. He said.
Yeah. Actually, yesterday I think I chatting with another professor, Dr. Yang, and actually he like him very much, and he offers stipend and living expense for 3 months for his staying in TMU under his supervision to learn how to use the phage displaying technology to manufacture antibody.
Oh, very
And I was told by Noor, Dean he did not receive the approval from the dean for extend staying in Taipei.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Oh yeah, because I think so many problems. Why? Family matters.
Yeah.
Prof. Okay, so you can have also the same opportunity class, just like I said. Noor is alumnus from UNJ as well, from biology. Jadi dia juga alumni kita yang baru selesai ya di TMU for PhD. Okay, now he is also teaching in one of private university. Okay, yes, any question? Class, come on. Remember, yes,
Saya mau tanya untuk buku referensi bagaimana ya?
yes, dia. Can you repeat?
Untuk buku referensi untuk mata kuliah biologi manusia ini gimana?
Oh, the reference book. Oh, I'm sorry. Actually, at the last, we have a human biology book from Sylvia, and then we use Sherwood from Cell to System Human Biology, and then also there is a textbook from Gate. Mostly, we use a human biology book from Sylvia. Okay, I have already support the information of references that you can use in the syllabus. Okay. Any other question? Any other question? Okay, have you write Prof Jack email there class if you have question anything regarding the topic or the information of TM you can send Prof Jack email. Okay. Any question? Any other question? Is that clear? Or are you shy?
Can I have a question?
Okay, Prof. So is it for me or for student, Prof?
For all you, I would like to have more information regarding the student's background. Are they senior or freshman or junior?
Okay, most of them are in their 5th semester, Prof. They have
Oh.
they have already taken a cell biology and then general biology. Apalagi mata kuliahnya? Yes, you can say to Prof Jack, guys. You can say what kind of lecture that you have already taken so far. Iqbal.
So, what's their major?
Their biology program, Prof, from
Okay,
biology.
biology. Okay.
Biology. So that's why maybe we only allocate about 1.5 hours for one meetings because we don't have a very deep discussion actually on the structure and physiology because the credit load is only 2 credit load for this subject, Prof. So will be different with medical student maybe, Prof. Yeah, usually in one semester we have around 4 credits for anatomy and physiology like that. But here they only have 2 credits because mostly, I don't know in Taipei, but in Indonesia, mostly biology student will stress on plant and animal, but very less in human, Prof. I don't know in biology in Taipei. Is it?
In TMU, they are
Mhm.
for medical students, they took just biology,
Oh.
but the student can examine it if they pass the exam during the summer after they get admission into the program. If they pass it, they don't need to take biology anymore.
Oh.
Okay. So, and the medical student, of course, they will take more detailed lectures, like human body parts, anatomy, developmental biology. So it's a little bit different. Okay. And they will conduct the experiment course. How to say that? The biology including the lecture and experiment course section. Experiment section probably only 1 credit, but they need to spend at least 3 hours in the lab for doing the research. Okay, so that they are, I think, it's 4 or 3 credits in that course.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, actually here we have a biology program and biology education program, Prof, from for biology education program, we also have 3 credits. So 1 credit around 170 minutes a week in the laboratory as well. But here it is elective course in biology department. The human biology is elective course and they only give us 2 credits. But in biology education, yes, in biology education, it is mandatory course, Prof. So they support with 3 credits, including 1 laboratory credit for 1 semester. So a bit different.
Yeah,
Mm,
because we are professional school in TMU. There's most department such as including the medicine,
yes.
dental,
Mm,
nursing, nutrition. So it's professional school. It's not how say that word. The course is small with the goal for the license. You know what I'm saying?
yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
not that much basic science course.
Yes, because they are very practical, yeah, Prof.
Yeah, practical courses. That's the right term. Okay,
Mhm.
good.
Okay, class, do you have question to project or to the course regarding your assignment, maybe your project? No, I don't know. They are very shy, or I don't know. They are
Very silent.
very
And
silent student.
yeah, listen. I wish all you don't feel pressure to learn. Okay, feel happy to learn. Don't think about the exam or difficulties in the advance. You gotta think how to improve yourself, receive more knowledge, understand the function of your body. That's the most important part. Score is nothing. Okay, you gotta learn your knowledge to apply to your benefit, your health, understand yourself. Okay, that's most important. Okay, everything you relate to the score, exam, that's a pressure. It's not going to motivate you to put more efforts on the course. Okay, change your thinking style. Okay, to encourage yourself to get more knowledge. That's the most important part. That's my advice, my experience to share with you. Okay,
Okay, so not to be
happy to learning. Okay, happy to learn,
yeah,
not no pressure.
no
Okay.
pressure. Do
Actually, I don't fail students.
so don't be a score oriented student, yeah, Prof. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, but knowledge oriented. So you join this course because you would like to have the knowledge, not because you would like to
Share
have,
the knowledge. Yeah,
yes, not to have the
share
score.
the knowledge.
Yes.
But only one thing I don't like it. I don't want to see the student did not improve at all.
Mm.
That's just waste the time. Okay, I want to see the learning curve up, up, up. Okay.
Okay. Okay, class. Okay. Oh, Agnia, what part of your body that you'd like to know most? What system of your body that you'd like to know most, Agnia? The others start thinking. And the students start thinking. Usually, because they are teenage, they would like to know reproductive system very much, Prof. Do you feel so, guys? Which system will be very interesting for you that you'd like to know most? Which system? Yes, somebody? Somebody? Is it a grave? Is it a grave? I don't think so. It's a class, right? Hi, guys. Is it a class? Is it a class?
Yes.
Supposed to be a class, right? No, the symmetry, right? Come on, speak up. Come on, speak up. You don't have to be afraid of making English. I don't know. Some of the problem in Indonesian students, they are very shy to speak in English, Prof. But they understand and they good enough in writing, I think. But sometimes because lack of exercise speaking, and they are very shy to speak. Yes,
Really?
really like that, guys.
No, I want to teach in the internet. I mean, in the program for international students. During the seminar, there are a lot of questions to ask the presenter or instructors. Okay, they are not shy at all.
Come on.
Those students from UGM
Yes.
and most are from UGM, I guess. Some from Aceh.
Oh.
Um, mostly the UGM, I think. And they are medical doctors. They love to ask the question during the seminar. And they benefit to me a lot because it can input a lot of different concepts
Okay.
and thinking. So you want to be succeed in research, in teaching in the future, you need to learn how to find the questions and how to ask. That's the most important part. Okay.
Okay. Class, I don't know. I
That's
think
that's
a bit.
that's fine. It's learning curve.
Yes.
It's learning curve.
Just me and Project will hope that next meeting and the next meeting you will be more and active, and then we can set the peak, and then you have the better curve, just like Project said. Okay, class. When say yes, they only do like this, Prof. No question, class. Is that enough? Okay, say yes or no. I don't know the answer. Is that enough for you, class, about our course? Yes? Yes? Enough?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so next time, we hope that you can join interactively with the course, and just like what Prof. Jack say, just think that you will need the information to you yourself. So information about your body is very important, how to stay healthy, how to keep your immune system, how to keep your breath, how to keep your lung breathing, how to keep your what is that? Your heart beating. Okay. Okay, I think I think they're still a bit shocked, Prof, because it is the first time we have a kind of visiting professor like this. Usually we only have in general lecture, just like we have before, Prof, with you, general lecture, so very big class. And I think that's not too, what is that? Not too optimum, I think. So we try to, instead of visiting a professor, just like in a small group like this.
So this course will be conducted in Zoom online lecture
Yes.
only. Okay.
Yeah, but if you would like to also share some material, we also support with Google Classroom that I have already show you before, Prof. The Google Classroom.
That's fine to me. Okay.
Okay, so maybe after this, I will ask your email or Gmail address, and then I will invite you to our Google
Sure,
Class.
sure. We got a chance, but after the crisis, the COVID-19.
Yes, yes, very. We hope very much. Okay, okay. So maybe enough for today. If you don't have another question, so we will meet again next week. Yeah, Dia, don't forget to take the attendance of your friends. Dia. Okay, and then I think will be some changes with the participant of the scores, because we still have a period of entering what is that course plan in their information system, Prof. Will be around 26 or 30 students will involve in this class, Prof. Okay, so if you have no question, I will end this session today, and then we will meet again next week within the same Zoom room. And then don't forget to join your Google Classroom, okay? Okay, see you again next week, class. Good afternoon. Thank you very much, Prof. Jack, for your coming. Good afternoon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Be safe.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Prof.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Prof. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Prof.
Thank you, ma'am.